And here we have the Hale versus Melville penalty flicks. Hale has won. Melville still yet to score. And I'm going for Melville. Yeah! And Melville get one back. Now it is Hale's turn. Yes! Still 1-1. Wait, that was a goal? Oh, it was a goal, never mind. Okay, we need to get this. Yeah. Nice. 2-2. Okay, I believe we have 2 more shots. Okay, so after this one, we'll have 2 more shots. Oh! 3-2 to Hale. We have 2 shots left. Hale has not missed one yet. Wait, it is 2-3, right?
I know what you're thinking. It's just 2-2.
Oh, I'm on 2-2. There you go. Get it. Yeah! 3-2 to Melville.
Come on, Nick!
Okay, this is Hale's 4th shot.
Yeah.
Oh no! It's all tied up. 3-3. Okay, now it's Melville's last shot. We need to make this. Get it in. No! And Hale has won. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye!